Gamers, they want to express themselves through their controllers. Gaming is a lifestyle. It's super expressive. It's pretty much on the same level as just getting up and getting dressed the way you want to present yourself. Hi, I'm Monique Chatterjee. I'm the design director for Xbox Design Labs and the special and limited editions. I was the lead designer when we first launched Xbox Design Labs back in 2016. Back then, it was like a really big push for our team to design a boutique manufacturing system that would allow Xbox fans to customize their own consumer electronics, have them built just for them, and delivered directly to their doors. I remember when we first launched at E3 back in 2016, we had rows of stations so people could come in and try the UI out, get the full experience. People were designing controllers and even pre-ordering. There was just a ton of excitement. We were inspired by Nike ID, some bike companies that were doing interesting things with customization, and the automotive industry. They're always leaders in the space. Fast forward to today, and that space is just much bigger. We've been at it since 2016. We've rolled a few different standard controllers through Design Labs. We have introduced new colors, grips, metallics, special paint finishes, special graphics, but the most common thing is that people have wanted Elite. People just want Elite in Design Labs. People want to customize their Elites, and it makes total sense.
Hi, my name is Erika Kelter. I'm colors, materials, and finishes designer for Xbox. So the black grip silhouette and the metallic details are really the key features that make the silhouette so expressive and so unique to Elite controller. And that's what we've always wanted to also retain for the Design Lab colors. So we really look into our inspiration from all kinds of different areas. For example, for the Forza Horizon, some of these inspirations done by our teammates. These are actually matching of some of their blue Dune Bucky. Another one, very different expression. So beautiful game, Ori and the Blind Forest. This was actually inspired by that game. So really beautiful, really delicate colorway here. So with all the 8 different body colors and 24 accent colors, you can actually make 717 trillion different combinations. And we're even allowing you to custom design some of the coloring on the carrying case. Then you can actually have everything matching really nice. The purple is actually one of our top seller colors at the moment. And what's also nice that if you happen to have the original Elite, for example, already, and then you have your custom made one, you can already know which one it is without even opening the case.
Elite has a lot of different parts, a lot of different materials and processes used to finish the parts, and we've had to bring a lot of different manufacturing sites together to do it. So we're super proud of it and super excited.
I'm Betsy Porter, and I am a senior producer for Xbox Design Labs. I work with our designers to absorb and help execute their creative vision and then bring it to life with our mechanical engineers and manufacturers. The Elite controller actually has 9 different parts that you can customize. There's the top case, the bottom case, the bumpers and triggers, the ABXY buttons, view menu share buttons, the metal D-pad, the thumbstick ring, base, and then also the thumbstick topper. When you combine all of those colors together and all those parts together, it comes to 226 different parts and pieces that need to be reviewed and approved and put together in their color families. A lot of work went into the 8 key colors to make sure that those grouped well together across all the parts and pieces. Most of the colorways landed really well and were easy to achieve, but there were a couple that was more difficult and tedious, and one of those was the shock blue metal pieces. We went through 80 different rounds of color review for that until we finally landed in one that worked well with the rest of the color family. And when we're reviewing those in different lighting settings against different colors, but most importantly, again, it's gonna be in that family of colors that work well together. So the other really great part that we did is the update to the app that allows you to customize the color of the Nexus light. Through the app, you can go ahead and pick through the swatches to, again, customize the controller further to really add and enhance to the customization.
Adding color choice to the list of things that can be customized on the Elite controller to make the controller feel truly yours is a natural next step. So now we're giving fans the chance to design an Elite controller that's made just for them.